this is Aga from Creative Web. Today I will show you a spiderweb text effect. Click on File, New, set up your document and click Create. Click on Gradient and pick bright red. And deep purple. Select the Type tool, T, click on the canvas, Ctrl A, and choose your font. Use a bold, slightly rough or grungy font, like Impact or Gaulish. You can download fonts for free from Google Fonts or DaFont. Set the text color to dark gray. Select your text layer and Ctrl T to resize it. Select the Type tool T, click on the canvas, Ctrl A, and type spiderweb in all caps. Press Ctrl T to reposition it slightly. Double-click the text layer to open layer styles or click on the icon below. Enable stroke and apply these settings. In the same layer style panel, check Drop Shadow and apply these settings. Now roughen the text edges. Go to Filter, Distort, Ripple, then Convert to Smart Object. Set the amount to 60% and size to medium. Click on the FX icon at the bottom of the Layers panel to add a layer style. Now check Outer Glow and apply the settings. Find a spiderweb image or use a spiderweb brush. Drag it into Photoshop. Ctrl T to move it and resize it. Since my web image is placed on a dark background, I need to use the screen blending mode. Place the web over the text. Now add a layer mask and use a soft brush B with black color to remove unwanted parts. You can turn caps lock off. Reduce opacity to 67% If it looks too strong, right-click on your layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Ctrl J to duplicate spider web image. Right-click on your layer and pick Create Clipping Mask. Ctrl T to move and resize it. Ctrl J to duplicate spider web image again. Right-click on your layer and pick Create Clipping Mask. Ctrl T to move and resize it. Drag another spiderweb image or use spiderweb brushes. Change blend mode to screen. Add layer mask. Press B and change hardness to 100%. Use black color on your mask to remove unwanted parts. Press Ctrl T to place the web under your text. Duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J for better visibility. Drag spider image into Photoshop, click boxes on the frame to move and resize this. Ctrl T. Create a new layer, Shift Ctrl N, press D to reset brushes, press X to switch colors. Use white color, soft brush, to paint a glow behind the spider. Change the blend mode to overlay. Click on the FX icon at the bottom of the Layers panel to add a layer style. Check Drop Shadow and apply Blend Mode to multiply. Black color, opacity 33%, angle 120 degree, global light ticked, distance 6 pixels, spread 21%, size 6 pixel. Go to New, Fill, Solid Color and pick Dark Gray. Right click on the layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Reduce opacity to 55%. Click on Layers Mask, then go Brush B and pick Hard Round Brush or set hardness to 100%. Use black color brush on Layer Mask to remove unwanted parts. Bring back your opacity to 100% again. We only needed it for better visibility. Ctrl J to duplicate spider web image again. Hold left click to drag your layer at the bottom. Ctrl T to move your image and resize it. Change blend mode to subtract and opacity to 100%. Ctrl T for further size transformation and placement. Click on your gradient layer at the bottom and change Swap Gradient Stop Color to the blue. Scale to 55%. Ctrl J to duplicate gradient layer. Change right upper swap gradient stop opacity to 0%, bottom left's color to black, and bottom right's color to black as well. Style to radial, angle 90 degree, scale 55%, tick reverse, tick align with layer. Above first spider web layer, click plus icon or Shift Ctrl N to create a new layer. Press B for brush and paint glow in the middle with white color. Change blend mode to overlay. Great job, your spiderweb effect is finished. I appreciate you watching.